Look at the destiny.
Wow, that's bad. Newcastle's come yellow.
Goalkeeper.
Wasting man. And then would you like it?
Yeah.
There. You?
Let's have a look here, Jack. Jack, let's have a look here. Yay! That's a Saxon, eh?
Would you like to try some chainmail on, sir?
I'll put some chainmail on.
Would you like to dress?
Stick it up.
Do you want to dress up?
No, I don't want to dress up.
And there's
Yeah, go on.
costumes as well.
Just stand it on the ground there.
Stand it on the ground. Dad's went off.
There you go for
Dad's went
you.
off.
Did you say yes or no, love?
No, thank you. Mum.
I'll be full warrior here. It's alright. It's
Are you strong?
Whoa! I'll take this off.
Probably a good idea.
Here we go.
Hey, look at you. Right, you need to get in from underneath. Up and out. Would you like a helmet to go with that?
Got the chainmail on.
Mum, are you sure that's on?
Hey. You've got a card reader with you. Yes, she does. Right. So,
Dad!
Oh, you want to start 6 altogether? Absolutely, yeah.
Try the feel of that, Jack.
yeah.
Right, who's going
And you could have a shield.
Oh, wow.
There we go. And you could have the axe.
Oh, Jackie got an axe.
Oh, Jack, a little axe. There we go.
Don't swing it around.
If we go in front of the castle and get a photo, perhaps.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Mum, you get that for now?
Yeah. Or just not right in front of the castle, just on the green there. And would you mind if I took a photo for our group?
Yeah.
Enjoyed
Imagine
that.
running into battle with, like, this is just a
You would also have a belt on, to be fair, which does take some of the weight off.
no, but no fit. This isn't. This is just like 1% of what they wear, isn't it? Really,
Yeah.
when you think about it.
Yeah.
I like the feel
You know?
of that.
And I mean, I've got a good grip with these shoes, so but could you imagine having the shoes that they've got on as well?
These are not, and well, these are naughty because I've got little hobs in them, because otherwise I slip all over the place. But they didn't back then.
Nah.
So my partner's, his doesn't, and he slips it, especially
Aye.
and I'm very good at twisting my ankle, so you got me the one with the little hobs in, which I'm not supposed to have.
Right, we'll walk
Rather
back over here
than
then.
twisted ankles for the sake of reenactment.
Yeah. Oh, I was stuck. I'm just walking away.
You're enjoying that, aren't you? I tell you what, I'll show you how you can get that shield off your dad. Look, so see this? This is, instead of just hacking away at the shield, you did that, and you pulled it off your dad. Do you want to try and do that? And then someone else can come in there and spear him. Yeah.
Right, I'll put it up. You need wooden bottle. I'll put it.
As your shield comes up,
Aye.
or with one of these, you'd pull this out and you go for all the lovely soft bits. Because you're not dead,
No.
but you're out the fight.
Yep.
The fight moves on.
Yep.
The people behind come with the spears to mop up. So
Right.
your job isn't to kill everybody.
No.
You are just disabling them enough.
So they can't.
They've gone to the
fight.
ground, or
Aye.
they're bleeding, or
Yep.
they're dying anyway.
Aye.
Your mates are going to come behind and tidy up for you. Your job is just to push forward,
Aye.
inflict the maximum amount of damage as fast as possible.
Aye.
Because you're wearing this,
Yep.
right? You've got this, you've
Yep.
got a sword or you've got an axe.
Yeah.
There's another 3 or 4 kilos.
Yep.
You're in the sun.
Yep.
You're going to dehydrate really, really fast.
Yep.
It's all about impact.
Aye.
It's impact, it's speed. It's not pretty. It's
Yes,
just
there's
chop, chop,
actually
chop.
more in the gentleman.
Because the people
They have
behind
this
come
in the sides
and they
and
tidy up.
around.
Because of course people pretend to be dead.
Absolutely.
Aye. I know. I'll do that, me like.
Yeah, but you're gonna get clean.
Oh, you're
No,
gonna
no,
get.
but that's why it did. That's why it happened. Because
Put that
people
back in there,
pretend to be
Jack. I'll
dead.
sort you in a second.
And then what would happen was the lines move forward,
Aye.
and now you're getting attacked from the rear
Aye.
by people you thought were dead, and they're now
Aye.
stabbing you in the back, and they're going for,
Aye, the neck and that. Aye.
or worse, hamstrings,
Oh,
right?
aye,
Ligaments
aye.
behind the knee,
So then you can't move. Aye.
because then you fall down
completely, Aye.
and you just get mopped up.
Yeah.
We'll make some coins.
You
Jack, do you want to make a coin?
So, you can help make them. So it's £2 for a Viking coin or £1 for a Saxon coin.
Can do both.
Do
show you.
both, please, mate. Aye.
Do both?
Yep, we'll do them both.
Fabulous, I like both. Right,
Just going to record it, mate. Is that all right?
please. So this, we're pretending is silver. Because silver's very expensive even today, alright? It's lead-free pewter, so it's safe to handle, okay? So I want you to take our pretend silver and I want you to put it on that picture for me. Right in the middle. Take your time. I want you to take this, it's called a collar. We'll do it together. And I want you just to gently slide it on top. I'll get that ready for you. I want you to take the other part of your coin picture. We'll do it together, come on. And we're just going to pop it on top. Perfect. Now, which hand do you hold a pencil in? That one. Right. Stand up. Good lad. Now wait for me. I know it's the best bit I can tell. I'm going to go first and then you're going to finish it for me. I need your help, okay? Are you ready? One big hit on there with that bit. Excellent. And look! Wow! Look what happened. Let me get that for you. Watch. Let me get it for you.
This is for life.
There. You've made money. Parents are going to love you. So this coin has got lots of crosses on because this is a Christian coin from the 7th century. And this belonged to a man called Paulinus or Paulinus, and he was the first Christian bishop of York in the 7th century. So there's your first coin. Do you want to give that so it's safe? And we're going to swap these over, look. And we're going to change this over for the Viking coin, okay? Okay? So we're going to do exactly the same. And I still need your help, please. We're going to take our pretend silver. Now, do you know this much silver today? If this, just for this bit of silver, would cost you £78. So it's a bargain for two. Pop it on the picture for me, just like you did before. Get it right in the middle. Take your time. Lovely. A bit more. Perfect. Take the collar. Come on. We'll do it together. Ah, lovely. You're listening very well. Because that's heavier than it looks. Right, you stand up again for me. Oh, we're ready. Me, then you. Are you ready? One big hit, please.
Way!
Good job. And let's get it for you. Are you ready? Look.
Wow.
And there is. This is a 10th century Viking coin. And this belonged to a Viking called Ragnar Lothbrok.
Oh, Ragnar.
And he was a very naughty boy.
Yep.
But he was the 10th century Viking king of York. And if you look on this side, have you heard Thor, the god of thunder?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
That's his hammer there.
Oh, it's hammer.
And on this side's a bow and arrow. Yeah. People thought that was a crossbow, but it's actually Thor's hammer.
Oh.
Now, back in the 10th century, this would have bought you, are you ready? 15 live chickens.
Wow.
Or 8 gallons of beer.
Oh, what would rather have, chickens or beer? What would Dad have?
Beer.
Chicken.
Chickens will probably make us more money. Beer will get us into trouble.
8 gallons, 64 pints. Or you can have half and half. And
What did you say, Jack?
Share it with your good old dad.
Wow.
Listen, mate, thank you. Really appreciate it. Well, adventurers, that concludes this video. This was just a video just to show you about our mini medieval day that we had in Bishop Auckland in County Durham. It was fantastic. We all really enjoyed the day. Very informative. I just want to say thank you to the people that helped with the coins and the dressing up as well. They really looked after us, gave us a lot of information. We really enjoyed it. We had such a laugh trying on the outfits. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Until the next time, guys, like I say always, get out, have an adventure,